Hello YouTube. Today we're going over the final pickup for real this time. I know I lied about that in the last video, but we're actually done this time because we're out of money. We got 2 cases of Instant Fire Thunder Kings 18-1 25 shot. I don't know what color tails are on these, if they're red and green, or if they're just red or white or something. I don't know. I'll have to shoot one and find out. But I know that Dun Pie, their standard Thunder King, is red and green tails, so we'll see what this one is. 2 cases of that, and we got a case of 25 shot Golden Cross set. This is what it looks like. It's a standard brown wrap with chain port. Golden Cross set. I'm looking forward to that. No video of that. If anyone has a video of FK25C, that'd be great. Next we got half case of 2-inch lemon by Night Owl, 2-inch orange peony, and then we have purple peony and white strobe by Night Owl. These are 2-inch single shots. These are like comparable to 62 millimeters. Yeah, it's some companies go with different sizes for the single shot large bore. And lastly, we have a case of 24/6 1-inch single shots. These are red tail to salute. And you got a little base you gotta attach. Okay, that's a YouTube video.